Hello friends, in this video we will be making a landing page like this using getResponse. So what is getResponse? GetResponse is the easiest email marketing software which is used to send out email newsletters, campaigns, online surveys and follow-up autoresponders. There are a lot of unique features that makes GetResponse stand out like landing page, autoresponder, automation, newsletter, webinars and much more. GetResponse offer a variety of premium email marketing plans. There is also a free trial plan that you can try for free for 30 days and build an email list of up to 1000 subscribers. GetResponse cheapest email marketing plan is $15 per month. In this video, I will show you how to create an account on GetResponse. Then we will create a new list and then we will create a landing page like this and then we will create automation workflow when a new subscriber joins the list through our landing page. We will do all this from scratch. So to create an account, we need to go to a URL which is i.nstInfotech.com/getResponse. Okay, you need to type this URL in the browser window and you need to press enter. Once you press enter, you will end up on this page. And here you need to put your email ID. So here it is written, no credit card required, 30 days free, cancel anytime. Okay. So the email ID which I'll use is bestcomputer.in@gmail.com. You need to put your email ID. Okay. And we need to click on sign up for free. So here I will add my name and here I will add the password. Okay. And we need to click on create account. One more thing which I wanted to share is that if you sign up from the link which I have shared, then there is a bonus for you guys that I will share at the end of this lecture. So make sure that you sign up from this link. Okay. i.nstInfotech.com getResponse. I will share this link in the description. Okay. So you need to create an account using this link. So I will share you some bonus at the end of this lecture. Okay. So here it is written almost there. To activate your account, click the email which we have sent you. So let me go to my email. So here it is written activate. Okay. So let's click on activate my account. So now we need to add some more information. Address you can add. I will add my address. We need to add the mobile number as well. Here you can click on maybe later, take me to dashboard. Okay. So here, as you can see, your trial expires in 30 days. Upgrade today to get $199 worth of email marketing certification for free. So you can use this account for 30 days and you will get all the facilities uh, as a premium plan, which the user gets in premium plan. Okay. So if I click on menu, here you can see email marketing, autoresponder, automation, webinar, web push notifications, conversion funnel, landing pages, forms and survey, paid ads. So in this video, we will cover landing page. We will create automation, okay, and we will create a list. So first, let me close this and we need to go to list. Here is, you can see your free trial account has a limit of 1000 contacts. You can add 999 more contacts. So one, it is default. So we will create a list. So this is a default list. We will not do anything for this. So we will create a new list. So I will create React free course. Okay. Let me click on create. So now this list has been created and here as you can see the contacts are 0. Now this list has been created successfully. We will go to landing page from menu. Okay, if I go to home page, here also there are options. If you click on create landing page, it will take you to the same page, create autoresponder and all. So, but we will go from here. So we will click on this icon and then landing pages. So here is the option to create a landing page. So let's click on landing page. So here there are pre-built landing pages which you can select, but we will create our landing page from scratch. So there are a lot of options you can just go through. If you think that your landing page is similar to this, so you can use any of this. So there are a lot of landing pages. Okay, so let me go at the top. Here, as you can see, build from scratch. Let's click on this. So these are the skeletons which you can select. Any of this skeleton you can select. So what I can do is I will select this template, and here I will add the name of my landing page, which is React to do app. Okay, and we need to click on next step. So here, as you can see, our landing page. This we will build from scratch, and here you can see thank you page. So we will also modify this page. So there are variant. We can click here and create one more variant, but in this lecture, I will create only one variant. Okay. So there is no need to create two variants. We create two variants for A/B testing, but this is a dummy kind of layout, a dummy kind of landing page, so we don't require it. Okay. So here what we can do is I'll just make it side by side. So here is our logo. This is the title. So let me paste it here, and this is one more title. So let me remove this. Okay, this is a logo. Okay, so we need logo at the top. So let's take it at the top. So this is a drag and drop. Okay, so the best part is a drag and drop. Let me replace this image with a logo. So you need to click on, see here, you need to click on replace and you need to add the file. Here you need to select from the computer. So I have a logo created already. So I'll just select this logo and click on add. And here we need to click on use. Okay, so now if I make it smaller, and let me bring this down and let's move this from arrow using arrow key. Okay, so I'm using this arrow key to bring it at the top. You can just scale it by clicking, by just scaling it. Okay, and this is the title, and we need one more text. So for this we need to click on this, and here we need to drag this. Okay, so what is the text? Sign up for free. me paste it here. Let me make it bigger. Okay, let's make it in the center. So now this is the tagline. Okay, let's delete this. Don't require. And now we will move this line up. So this is a bigger line. So we will drag it. So we just need to select. Okay, and you need to drag this. Now the form. Okay, so the form is on the right side and the text is on the left side. So what I'll do is I'll take this at the top by using arrow key and take it on the right side. Okay, and now here, now let's remove this. We don't require. You just need to click on this delete icon. Okay, so we don't require this. Now let's check what we require. Let's remove this line also. Now we need the text. So first we'll create a box for this form. We'll create a box like this. So for that we need to select this square, and here we have the option. So you need to double click on this, and here is the option to select the color. If I make it gray, let's select this color and make it some more lighter. Okay, I'll make more lighter. So we'll keep this. And for see here we are having a border of black. So we don't require this border. We require a border of blue color. So I'll double click on this, and here I'll select this cross. And here we have an option to change the border. So let me select border. Okay, I click OK. You can select any color you want, and I'll click OK. Okay. So now again we need to double click on this box, go on the border, and we need a radius. So let me select a radius of like 15, and we need to click OK. So now as you can see we have a border, and then we need to increase the size of this. So and now I will drag this the whole form inside this. Okay, let me drag this at the top. Now let's increase the size. Let's move this down. And here we need a text sign up of free course. So I need a text. So let me paste it here. You just need to drag, okay? You don't have to do much. So let me bring the text in the center. So to make it in the center, double click, and this is the way you can keep this in the center, okay? And the font size is bigger. So let me double click on let's make the font size bigger. And here we need to modify this box. So here you can see the text size is smaller, and this box is white, and the border color is lighter, okay, lighter gray. So double click on this. You can decrease the font size by 18 pixels, and then we need to click on this cross for the borders. So let's change the border color, and let's click OK. So now we have changed the border color. Let me do it once again. I need some dark border, okay? Okay, it is too dark. So I will decrease the size of border. Okay, let's click on OK. Now, as you can see, we have a border, but so let's click it again and make it much lesser. Okay, so now we have a light border. Okay, which is looking much better. And then we can decrease the size of this box also. So let's click and make it smaller. So here, as you can see, the width is 307 by. Let's keep it 50. Okay, here also we will keep it 50. Now we can just drag this. This box color is too dark, so this is the light one. Let's change this box color and make it lighter. Okay, now it is better. Okay, now this button we will change the style. So this is the style which we want. Get your free lessons. First, I will write get your free lessons. Get your free lessons. Okay, so let me make this button bigger, and let's double click and make the font size little smaller. Let's keep it 23. And now this round is too much, so let's click on this button, double click on this button and click on this cross icon, and we need to decrease the border radius, so I'll keep it 10. Okay, and let's click on OK, and let's change the color of this button, so I'll make it little darker. Okay, and okay, fine, this is fine, this is fine, and let's decrease the size of this button. So we are almost catching it. To decrease, okay, let's make it bigger. Let's move this up. Okay, this is just drag and drop. You can just play around with this and you will get an idea. Okay, let me make it a little smaller because here it is smaller. So now this color is still not matching with our color, so let's make it more lighter. Now I think it is looking much better. Okay, now here we need to add the text which is here. So what is the free course about? Let me copy this, paste it here. I'll increase the box. Okay, now here I will copy this and I'll come here and I'll paste it. Let me increase the size of this box. You just need to drag this. Let me go a little up, and here I will change the font size to, let's say I'll keep it 15. Okay, you can keep whatever size you are okay with that. Now here I'll copy this text, and to uh, add more text we need to just drag this, paste it here, and again I'll make it a little smaller. It was 15, so let's keep it 15. Okay, and then this is the bullet points, so let's copy this, and again I'll take one more text holder. Okay, so here as you can see I'll make it again 18, sorry 15, and we need a bullet point, so you can just click on this icon, and here we have added this 3 points. Let me go back. Let's increase the size of this. Then this is the line which we need to add. So let's copy this. Add one more placeholder for text. I'll paste it here. Let's decrease the size to 15. Sorry, 15. Okay. And then my name. Then I'll add the image as well. So you can duplicate from here also. Okay. You can just click plus button and it will be duplicated. So in this way also you can do it. Okay. Now we will add a image like this. So for image, you need to click here and you need to drag this image. Then you can just replace it. So I'll add new file. I'll select it from my PC. So this is the image I'll take and I'll add. Okay. So now we can use this image. We need to make it smaller. Okay. So this is how we can create a landing page, and still there are few things which are required. So let me make this smaller. I click. So now this page is small. And if you want to check it in a bigger browser, like a bigger screen, then you need to click on command and minus. Okay. Or you can, if you are using Windows, then control and minus. Okay. So I'll just press command and minus. So you here you can see we are resetting the screen. So here you can see how it will look in a bigger screen. Okay. So let me drag this out. So here the line is too small, so we'll make it bigger and we'll make page little smaller. And there's one more thing we need to add is the footer. So for that we need to click on this square and we need to drag that square here. Okay. So this is the square. We can make it bigger and then I'll make a little smaller. Okay. And here we need to add the color. So let me add the color which is again blue, a dark blue. So let's click OK. And if I press command and 0, so it will be the original size. Okay. So now we need to add the text, which is copyright. Okay. So let me copy this text. And for text, we need to uh, use this placeholder and I'll paste the text which I've copied and I'll make it white color. Sorry, white color text. So you need to select a white color or you can select it from here. Okay. And press OK. So now let me save this. Let's preview it. So as you can see, we have created this landing page, but you can just adjust the placement. Okay, whatever you feel like, okay, it is not the way which you wanted. So you can just manage according to this. Okay, and you keep saving this. Okay, so you just need to keep saving this So there is a lot of space in the bottom. So make it smaller. You can increase the size. Okay. Here also you can increase the size. You can keep this in the center, and you need to remove this border. So double click cross icon, and here is the border. So we don't require this border. So click on OK. Now we have removed the border. Let's bring it to the original size. So control and 0, command and 0. So now this is the original size. Let me save this and let's check it in the browser. Let me preview this. Now the scroll is lesser than what we were having. Okay. So you can just manage. So you can just manage the entire thing from here. Okay. So this is how we can create a landing page. But there's one more thing. Let's check in the mobile. Okay. So create a mobile version. We need to compose a mobile version of your page. Let's click OK. Now, as you can see, the form is here and the entire text is at the top. So this is also looking better. But if you want, you can just move this form at the top, and then you can just drag this all the text at the bottom. But I'll keep as it is. It is looking better. But here the logo should be at the top. So in the mobile version, I'll keep the logo at the top, then a title. Okay, here you can manage all the entire thing. So this is the underline. Okay, now let's move this up. Okay, let's save this. Please keep saving, otherwise it will. Now for desktop version, it is like it looks like this for desktop version, and for mobile version, it will look like this. Okay. Now if I click on preview, let me close this and let's click on preview. Okay, so this is the way which we can create a landing page. Okay, so it is looking much better. Okay, now if I click here, nothing will happen because we have not published the landing page. So before that, we will create the thank you page. So here, congratulations, thank you for signing up for our free course. Okay, and we are glad to have you with us. Let's remove this. We don't require all this stuff and so much more. Let's remove this. Let's bring it up. And here you can add your blog link. Let's remove this. Okay. And my blog link is nstinfotech.com. I'll just copy this link and I'll change this link. Double click. So here is the option to change the link. Selection, web address, paste it here, press OK. Now it has been done. And now we are glad to have you with us. Please check your inbox for further instruction. Okay. Please check your inbox for further instruction. Okay. Now let me bring this up and make it smaller. Okay. So now let's save this. Let's preview this. Okay. Congratulations. Thank you for signing up. Okay. So if you click here, it will take to the my blog page. Let's close this. Let's go to the landing page. Now here we can click on next step. Continue without mobile version. Proceed with mobile version. We have completed the mobile version. Okay, so we have completed. Once we click on next, it will bring you to this page, and here you can add your title, which I have already added. I'll keep the description same. You can change the description whatever you want, and this is the URL for this. Okay, bestcomputerchairs.in, and it will be getresponse8.com. Yeah, gr8.com. There are two more options you can select, or you can assign a new domain. Okay, so in this lecture I will not assign a new domain. If you want me to create a lecture, if you want me to create a video on how to assign a new domain for this, so I will make a video on this. Please comment below if you want to, if you want me to make a video on how to uh, use a custom domain. Okay, but for this lecture I will not make a custom domain. If you want, you can let me know by adding the comment. Okay, user list. So we have created this list. React free course, confirm opt-in. What this means is once the subscriber has joined your list, then he or she will get a confirmation email. Okay, once they will approve that, okay, I have approved, I need this course, only then it will be added to the list. But we don't want this. Okay, and here we can have an autoresponder, but I won't add this autoresponder. We will make an automation workflow, okay, so where we can write an email, and this is a default thank you page which we have created, and you can select a custom thank you page also with your domain name and all, but we will keep default. Stay, you can keep stay on current page as well, but we have created a thank you page, so let's keep it that only. And here also you can add your remarketing options like Facebook pixels. You can add your Facebook pixels. Okay, in this lecture I won't add a Facebook pixel. I already have a Facebook pixel. If you want me to create a video on how to add a Facebook pixel on this landing page, so just comment it out, comment below, and I will make a video on this. And you can add your Google ad conversion tracking. So you can put your ID and label, and then you can track uh, if you have, if you want to do a Google ad promotion, so you can do that as well. And here also you can, let's say if you have created pixels, and you can add another platform like Google Analytic, or so you can put your Google Analytic ID here, and you can track how many visitors have visited to the landing page. Okay, so in this lecture I won't do all this because it will take much more time. My goal was to create a landing page which I already created, so it took some time, and then we need to click on publish. Okay, so let me check everything is okay or not. So let's click on publish. So now our page has been published. Let's open that URL. So as you can see, we have created the landing page. Now it is looking much better. Okay, now the scroll is also looking fine. If I click here, it will say this information is required. Okay, so now what we can do is like we will add an email ID and name an email ID, and I'll click on this. But before that, before adding this name and email ID, I will create an automation workflow. How to do that? So let's click on this menu icon, and here we need to click on automation. Okay, we need to click on create campaign. So here we need to put a welcome email. So we need to add a welcome email. So let's click on that welcome email, and here there are previews. Okay, so here you can see what is the preview, like subscriber to my list via any method. Like our method is landing page, so we will select that landing page, and here we will select the message which we want to send. Then we will add tag, and then we will add the score as well. So let's there are different layouts. Okay, different kind of what do you say, workflows, so you can just check the different workflows, but in our case we need a simple a workflow. So I'll use this template, a simple welcome message. So it will take you to this page, and here you need to select the list. Okay, select any list. So this is the React free post list. Method is landing page. So we need to select landing page, and specific uh, landing page is React to do app. Okay, include contact who are already in the list. So we don't want our contact to be double, like if a guy has already been included in our list, so we don't want to include it again. Okay, so now this is a property, now elements. Okay, so this is done. Now we need to create a message. Okay, so here we will create a message automation, create a message. So I'll copy the message from my previous automation which I have created. So let's go on automation. So this is the automation which I have already created, but I want the message which I have written. So here I will, okay, let me go back. Okay, this is the message which I need. So I'll just copy this and I'll go back to this message, and we need to write the message title. This name will appear on the list of your message, only you will see it. So you can keep any name you want. So React free post. Okay, an email ID, I'll keep it as it is. You can add email ID of your own domain. Okay, if you want, you can add email ID. I'll show you where to add the email ID. And the subject is, what is the subject? Okay, let me see the subject. So I'll write the subject as welcome to React to do app course. Welcome to React to do app free course. Okay, and you can add a smiley here if you want. Okay, and now let's design the message which I've copied. You can add your own message. We will take a blank template. So let's use this. It is taking some time. Let me go back and let's do it again. Design a message. So here is the blank template. Let me refresh it because, okay, we'll refresh the entire thing. So let's go back, design a message. Let's use this. Okay, let me go back. There is some issue. Let me refresh this. Let's click on this again. Let's create a new message. React free course. Okay. Welcome to React to do app free course, and I'll add a smiley. Let's click on this design blank template I need. Just taking time. I don't know why it is taking time. Let's go to the dashboard again. Let's create the automation again. Okay, there was some issue. Let's click on automation. And here we need to click on campaign. We'll select email. We'll use this template. Okay, again we will select the list. So that is React free course. Method is landing page. The name of the landing page is React to do app. Okay, so let's save this first. Now we will create a message. Okay, let's click on create a message. React free course. Okay, here welcome to React to do app free course. And we will add a smiley, and then we'll design the message by clicking here. This time I hope I will get the blank template. Okay, so let's do it. We have an existing messages. Okay, these are the existing messages which were created. Don't know why it is happening. Let's click on this template. Now we will see this editor, message editor. Okay, now so we can drag and drop the text. Okay, and here we will paste the entire text which I have copied. Logo, let's remove the logo we don't require. So we need to uh, here is the option to here is the option to disable the logo. So now we will not see the logo. Here you can see the address which we have given, and then powered by getResponse because this is a free trial. And then uh, we'll click on next. So yes, now we will see we can see the message, and here it is written good to go. And this is track link. Click with Google Analytics. So if you have a Google Analytics, so you can track the link. I'm not using it, so let's disable it, and let's save and publish. So this is the message which will go once this person has subscribed to this landing page from this landing page. And here I will add more elements like tags. Okay, so let's create a tag. Enter the tag name. So it is React free course. Okay, add the tag. So we will assign this. Okay, so now we can drag this here, and now we will add score. Okay, assign or remove tag. Okay, select a tag. So now the tag has been selected, and now we will add a score. So score. Okay, here it is the score. So first let's add the points. We'll add 10 points. Okay, and we'll connect this. Okay, so once the subscriber has joined our list from this landing page, he or she will get a message which we have completed. Okay, welcome message. Then this there will be a tag which will be assigned to that user. React free course, and then the score will be 10. So in this way, you can create an automation. So like save and publish. So now we will subscribe. Okay. So here is the landing page which we have created. So now let's write my name, and let me write my email ID, and I'll click on get your free lesson. Now this is a thank you page. Congratulations. Thank you for signing up for a free course. Please check your inbox for further instruction. Okay. So I will get an email on my email ID. Sometimes it goes in the promotion tab because see in the promotion tab, because we are not using our custom domain. The email is Gmail, so that is the reason. Sometimes it goes in the promotion. So uh, please make sure that you assign the email ID. So which I told you, like if you go to manage account, so here you can add. Sorry, here you can add the email ID. Sorry, email addresses. See, here is the email ID of Gmail, but here you can add email ID, your name and email ID of your domain. Okay. So once you add that email ID in your domain of your domain, then you will get a confirmation email. Once you confirm, then you can select the email ID which you want to send the mail from. So then it will not go in promotion tab, but for now it will go in promotion tab. And here is the email which I have wrote a thank you welcome email. Okay, a welcome email. So now we will check our list. Let's go to the list. And here, as you can see, there is one contact. If I go inside the list, so there will be one user, which is my name. So let's check that. Sometime it takes time because of slow internet connection, so we need to wait. So here, as you can see, we got this email ID from the landing page, and if I click on this, you will see the entire thing. Like if you add the phone number, country, and all, see the score is 10. Join on 31st October. Landing method is landing page, single opt-in, IP address, location Mumbai. So all the information you will get it from here. And if in the form, if you have added, let's say, if I go back, here we have added only name and email ID. If you add more fields like country, phone number, so all this will be logged here, okay? Country, phone number, and everything. But for opt-in page, you always uh, add only these two fields like name and email ID. Otherwise, people will not add all the information which they don't want to share. Okay. So this is the way you can create a landing page, and see here the tag is there, React free course. So I hope you like this lecture of creating a landing page and creating a list, automation, and everything. So this is the landing page. If you go here, so here this is the landing page. You can just edit the page if you want. You can edit the settings if you want. Okay, so the entire thing you can do it here. So you can add up to 1000 subscriber. Okay, and if you like this tool, or if you like the software, you can just upgrade it. Okay, the pricing is very less, like $15 per month, which is too less as compared to other software which they charge more. Okay, so I like this software, and currently, actually, I am using Mautic, but I think this software is much better because you have everything in this. And as I told you that I will share some bonus. Okay, so I have a course on Udemy, which is related to Mautic and Amazon SES. So if you are interested in uh, signing up this get response from my link, okay, then I will give you the course for free, okay, which is on Udemy. If you go to Udemy, and if you search for Mautic, this is also an email service, okay. So here is my course, Mautic and Amazon SES installation. This is highest rated uh, course. Okay, if you click here, so as you can see, it is a 2 hour of course, and I have shown everything, how to install Mautic on Amazon web server and how to use Amazon SES. So if you buy this, if you sign up using my link, which is hi.nstinfotech.com get response. Okay, if you sign up using this link, okay, then I'll give you this course for free. Okay, you don't have to pay anything. So as you can see, the ratings are very good. Everyone is liking it, and I have done a lot of hard work to create this course. So this is also an email marketing software tool. Okay, Mautic. Currently, I'm using Mautic, but I think uh, as compared to Mautic, GetResponse is much better because in Mautic, if you use landing page, then you cannot customize your you cannot use the custom domain. So there are few features which are better in Mautic, and there are few features which are better in GetResponse. So I'm uh, thinking to use both of this. I currently use Mautic, but I think I should use GetResponse also. So that is the reason I have created this course. If you I have created this video, okay. So if you want this Mautic and Amazon SES course for free, then you just sign up from here. And once you sign up, then you need to go to manage account because I need some confirmation that okay, you have bought this course. So here is the account reference number. So you just need to copy this reference number, okay, and then you need to mail me, okay, and you need to email me, and my email ID is this. So if you message me this account reference number, this is the number, reference number. You need to message me this account number and your email ID so that I can send you this course for free. Otherwise, I won't be able to share the course because I don't know you have signed up from my link or not. So if you do that, just share this reference number which is inside this manage account, and here in manage account in business details, you will get this in the business details. So you need to just copy this, and you need to send to my email ID, which is sarfarazkasmani@gmail.com. You can get it on the screen, and even the link which I have shown you, uh, you will be able to see it on the screen. Okay, so please make sure that you sign up from this link to get this course for free. And in future also, if I create anything related to GetResponse or Mautic or something like that, I'll share it. I'll share it for free. Okay, whatever the paid content, I'll share it for free. So make sure that you sign up from this link, okay, and share me the details. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you want me to create a video on assigning a custom domain for this landing page, okay, so I'll make that. And as well as if you want something more from GetResponse, like if you want to learn more about this, so definitely I'll create it. Let me know in the comment box, and I'll see you in some other video. Till then, take care and bye bye.